Cary, I'm a bit of a government nerd, and I saw that you recently published an article on LinkedIn that you authored. Why should we care about the various Department of Defense security certifications? Right? You talked about 40, you talked about FedRAMP, you talked about NAI and IAP. Talk to me about what DOD security certifications kind of are and why they would benefit everyone.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We've just been through an immense amount of work to actually achieve these security certifications on our product, and it's a real eye opener. You know, we've always been pretty security conscious, and we've always kept our system pretty secure and robust. But this was next level. This was going so deep. We had independent analysts from government bodies crawling through our code, figuring out if did we zeroize the memory on that password that was just typed in, or are the keys properly destroyed as they're used through the system. It's just amazing the standards that they hold you to when you go through these certifications. And what jumped out at me is that this is not just relevant for government and defense departments. Having secure products in your enterprise is a really great step forward for cybersecurity. If you can look for products that have this, you can ride the coattails of the US Department of Defense, and it doesn't cost you anything. You just have to look for products that have the right certifications. If you're a small bank in Ohio and you want to make sure you got the most secure products in your network, go and look for stuff that the Department of Defense is using and see that those certifications are still valid and current. It doesn't take anything, and you will ride the coattails of millions of dollars of investment in hardening those products against attack. It just makes sense. So yeah, that's what I've realized going through this whole process.